welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Canan and today is the day I am finally testing some melody lashes from Naomi Jon, who is a YouTuber as well. And she launched like her own lashes this week and I am so hyped. So today I'm going to test these with you guys, and if you want to see what they look like then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the packaging of the melody lashes by Naomi Jon, and I picked the taco ones. They have like several different ones and I really wanted like all of them, especially the chili one. That looked like so good, honestly. But I picked the taco one because that just, I don't know, looked fluffy and sweet. So Naomi is a German YouTuber as well, by the way, and she launched these this week. So I'm so excited to try this out because like the packaging is so beautiful, and there's like broccoli on top of these. That's so sweet. So let's try this out, guys. Grab like a tweezer and just put out one of these, and then I'm going to like check the length of it on top of my eyes. So let's just see. I think they're too long for me. They are definitely too long. So I am going to cut these my length. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're like so easy to cut off. So I just put this like tiny bit off. Now I'm going to put on some lash glue. Okay, you guys, like hands down, these are going to be my favorite lashes the whole winter and like autumn season long. Because like look at them, they're like so fluffy and so cute and mysterious and just like sexy, right? I love them, and the packaging is so sweet as well. I'm definitely going to keep this in here and I just really highly recommend them. So in the German drugstore you get them for $13.95, I guess, and that's just such a good price for these like lashes because look at them, they're like huge, fluffy and cute. And yeah, well, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please, that will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed yet already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.